Hey, Todd here, and welcome to Acme Machining. Sorry I haven't been making any videos lately. It's been busier than heck here, which is a good problem when you're self-employed. But I was doing a job yesterday, and I broke my deburring tool. So, I know these are cheap to buy. They're not too bad. Of course, I don't want to throw away money, but I go buy another cheap one, and what do I got? Another cheap one. So I'm looking at this and thinking, why don't I make one out of aluminum and it won't break on me? So stick around. We're going to have some fun today. Okay. We've got a piece of 1-inch bar in here. And we're just going to make a handle out of it. First thing we need to do is we need to drill a hole down the center of her. Drill bit. Number end is the closest fit to that. Just let me check, because this here may be, I may press fit this. So. We're going to go to a 9/32 drill bit, and we're going to press fit this. I never use the extension part on these here. Like, here's my little Noga. I very rarely ever do this with these tools. So I'm just going to make this here one so it's a one length. I'm going to press fit it in, and it's not going to be adjustable, but it's going to be strong as heck, and I'm not going to break it again. So that's my goal today. So chips you're cutting. And there's all the reach that drill bit has. And that is not going to do, so. But it's going to have to do, so. I said I don't use this one, extend it. It's getting press fit. I can clip that off, that's plenty. .9 inches, so that's plenty deep to hold the Deburring tool. And I'm going to chamfer off this here leading edge. Okay, so I bored this hole. And it is, turn this over, 2.9 inches deep. And of course 2.9 inches is way too long, so I am going to take about 1.25 inches off this. I'm just going to grind it off with a cut-off wheel. I'm not going to record that. Now I notice when I went to shut the camera off from the last video sequence here, I lost a bunch because this camera goes for 10 minutes and shuts off. No warning, no nothing. It just goes, good night. And so I lost some video. So hopefully not too much. I'm just putting knurls on that simple handle. So I'll cut this off and we'll come back. Okay, so I trimmed this off. Just did it with a 3-inch cutoff wheel. Makes a lot of noise, so I didn't videotape that. And I'm going to bury that in here, press fit, right to about there. So I'll just set her up in the press. Going in real nice and easy, so. I'm going to zoom in here and show you guys a nice little trick. The tool still fits in here. This does not need to be overly tight, so I just pushed it through so that I can finger tight it most of the time. 99%, that's all it needs. Every now and then I'm pushing something a little harder, I can tweak it a little harder. So good time saver right there, just being able to finger tight your press. But okay, so I got this press fitted together. Tips go in nice. There's room for the lockdown collar to work. This here cutting end, it doesn't matter left or right. It's the one I got here from Noga. The particular cutting end I have, it likes to work in one direction more than the other. So I don't know if you guys, I don't know if this will even focus for you or not, but it's nice. They're visually different. That's what I liked about the red handled one, is it was different than the other one. So but now I got this one. I'm not going to break this. Okay, I did lose a lot of footage on this. This camera likes to shut off with no warning. I wish it would at least beep when it shuts off so I could do a retake on things. So the last shot, I was getting ready to take down chamfer off this end here, and then I knurled it and put a couple grooves in. One, two, well, more than a couple. I think there's 6, 7 grooves there, about ½ inch apart, and then I parted it off. So nothing you really haven't seen before. Just wanted to share this little tool with you, and again, I apologize for losing that footage. But if you guys can put in the comments what you recommend for cameras, I need to get a better camera. I'm tired of this one. But I'm wary because a lot of people say the GoPros, they overheat and shut off too. So I'd be in the same ballpark, but just poorer. So put your comments in there. I'd like to go with an SLR, a digital SLR. And then I can get dual use out of it. But thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Click the like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.